How do organizations navigate the national business environment? This video explores the intricacies of the business environment, focusing on internal and external factors. We will uncover how organizations adapt to these factors for strategic success. The aim is to enhance learners' understanding of the business environment. This encompasses both internal and external circumstances. Learners will gain insights into organizational responsibilities. Structures within organizations will also be examined. This knowledge is crucial for strategic planning. Pestle analysis is a tool for understanding the national environment. It looks at political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental factors. Each factor impacts organizations differently. Understanding these helps businesses adapt and thrive. Let's delve into each factor in detail. Political factors include government policies and stability. Policies affect operational costs and trade opportunities. Stability ensures a predictable environment. Labor laws also play a role. Organizations must navigate these to remain compliant and competitive. Economic growth influences consumer demand. Inflation impacts pricing strategies. Interest rates affect borrowing costs. Exchange rates influence international trade. Understanding these helps organizations plan financially. Social factors include demographic trends and cultural norms. These determine market size and product acceptance. Lifestyle changes create new opportunities. Education levels impact workforce skills. Organizations must adapt to these social dynamics. Technological innovations lead to new products. Automation improves efficiency. Digital transformation enhances engagement. Continuous research and development is crucial. Staying updated ensures competitiveness. Legal factors include laws and regulations. Compliance prevents legal issues. Intellectual property rights protect innovations. Consumer protection ensures product safety. Employment laws affect human resources practices. Environmental regulations dictate operations. Climate change affects resources. Sustainability initiatives attract eco-conscious consumers. Ecological impacts influence corporate social responsibility. Organizations must align with these factors. Monetary policy manages interest rates and money supply. It affects borrowing costs and consumer spending. Changes in interest rates impact exchange rates. This influences export and import activities. Organizations must adapt to these economic shifts. Fiscal policy involves government spending and taxation. It stimulates demand and influences investment. Public investment improves infrastructure. Tax incentives enhance profitability. Organizations benefit from these economic tools. Competition policy promotes fair competition. It prevents monopolistic practices. Organizations must innovate and improve quality. This ensures a competitive market environment. Adhering to these policies fosters trust and fairness. Data protection laws safeguard personal information. Organizations must ensure data privacy and security. Transparency and consent are vital. Non-compliance leads to penalties. Protecting data builds trust with consumers. Accreditation standards ensure high-quality education. They enhance credibility and attractiveness. Continuous improvement is encouraged. Regular audits maintain standards. Organizations benefit from adhering to these benchmarks. Consumer protection ensures fair treatment. Organizations must provide transparent information. Effective complaint resolution is essential. This enhances student satisfaction and trust. Protecting consumer rights is crucial for reputation. Economic fluctuations impact funding and investment. Inflation increases operational costs. Exchange rate volatility affects international students. Organizations must manage these economic challenges. Strategic planning is essential for stability. Intense competition demands differentiation. Regulatory compliance is crucial. Consumer preferences are evolving. Technological advancements require adaptation. Organizations must navigate these market challenges effectively. Keeping pace with technology is vital. Regular upgrades enhance learning experiences. Cybersecurity measures protect data. Organizations must invest in advanced technologies. This ensures operational efficiency and safety. Flexible learning options are in demand. Enhanced support services are expected. Organizations must adapt to these preferences. Meeting expectations enhances satisfaction. This builds loyalty and trust with consumers. Organizations must develop strategic responses. This involves financial management and innovation. Regulatory compliance is essential. Customer satisfaction should be prioritized. These strategies help navigate complex environments. In conclusion, understanding the nature of the national environment in which organizations operate is essential for recognizing the economic, legal, political, and cultural factors that influence business activity. National environments shape everything from taxation and regulations to workforce availability, consumer expectations, and infrastructure. By analyzing these influences, learners gain insight into how organizations adapt their strategies, maintain compliance, and identify opportunities for growth. A clear understanding of the national environment enables businesses to operate more effectively, manage risks, and contribute positively to the wider economy. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.